everyone, this is Harvey. I'm now here in Tapilon, Bantayan. We left the North Bus Terminal around 5 in the morning and we arrived here 9:15. So it's a 4-hour, 15-minute ride or trip to get here. Once you choose the Maya Bantayan bus at the North Bus Terminal. Well, we took the aircon bus. It cost us 180 pesos to get here. I am going to Carnaza Island now. It's an island just between Masbate and Cebu. And I'm gonna insert, well, next slide you're gonna see the map where you can see where you can find Carnaza Island. We are going to just take a short walk. It should be 5-minute walk to get to the port, going towards Carnaza.
Bound only by frozen memories.
These are the outriggers from Carnaza Island. They leave the island going towards Bantayan around 6 in the morning to 7. It's a special day today, well, and tomorrow, because there are a lot of trips because it's their fiesta celebration, May 25 and 26. So there are a lot of boats or outriggers coming from Carnaza going towards here. So say if they usually leave the island around 7 in the morning, they arrive here around 9. Okay, it takes them a few hours, an hour or two perhaps, to load up and go back to Carnaza. So if you come here during fiesta celebration, it's okay because they have trips almost every hour or every 2 hours. Okay, but if you wish to come here not during their fiesta celebration, which is May 25 and 26, I advise you come here as early as, well, before 9, 10 at the least, so that you'll be sure to get a ride. The last trip from Bantayan to Carnaza is around 12 noon, that's what I heard. But still, I advise you come here before 10. Make sure you arrive here, Bantayan, around 10 in the morning. So you should be at the North Bus Terminal, Cebu North Bus Terminal, around 5 in the morning. Get a ride, the 5 a.m. bus ride going towards here in Bantayan. Okay, so I'll be giving you a few more tips. There are no trips in the afternoons. Okay, so be here in the morning. Last trip is at 12 noon. Okay, if you wish to go over there. Okay, and coming back here, there are no trips also in the afternoon from there. So it always leaves Carnaza in the mornings because there are not too many passengers. Okay, so remember that. A few more tips as we go along. Going now to see the island. We're going around. We're gonna see the caves and white sand beaches of Carnaza. I'm now going to check out one of the caves here in Carnaza Island. I'm with my friends here, and let's see how deep this goes.
Maklaro din sulod.
There's also a runway here in Carnaza for small planes. Goes all the way there. So not really for big planes, just small planes. So yeah, this is property of one of the big politicians of Cebu. I'm now here at Kailina Beach. This is one of the 7 barrios of Carnaza, and this is actually the best beach here in Carnaza. If you wish to come here to Kailina. There are 7 barrios here. Let me see if I can remember all 7 of them. There's Can Junisho, there is Luyo, there is Lantao, and that's as far as I can go, but there are actually 7. But if you wish to come here, just mention the name of Edith. They'll know where they will have to bring you, okay? And mention also their son. Their son's name is Bulantoy. They're a very well-known family here in Carnaza. And if you wish to come here, I am going to give you the number of Bulantoy. Well, and his brother is Gilbert, and Bulantoy is actually Gilmar. They're a great family. I am going to show to you how to contact them. Okay, but check out the place first. This is Kailina. See. Great beach. There are 2 fishing boats over there. Okay. There are some kids here. These are actually our guides. Great kids. Okay. So if you wish to come here, you can stay at Noy Tonying's place. They have mineral water. They will provide mineral water for you, comfort rooms. But if there are a lot of you, it will be best if you set up camp or bring tents with you, and you'll just leave your bags at one of their rooms. That's for security also, and you can take a shower at their house. So yeah, and you can go around the place in less than a day. You can go get to know the island in less than a day. They have a cemetery here, a few shops. Ice is a luxury here, but they also have ice. But remember this, if you wish to bring power banks with you, because they only turn on their generators here from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay? Water is not going to be a problem here, like I said earlier. If you want to do some cooking, you can bring a burner with you, but Nanay would allow you to use their mini kitchen for you to cook your meals. But it would be more convenient if you bring your own. Okay? A lot of shops here, you can buy canned goods, and the boat fare to get here is only 100 pesos. Not very comfortable seats for a 2-hour trip, but it's worth it. Okay, so check the island, see? Come here, you'll love it.